Are you ready to practice your English listening skills? Listen to a lecture for a minute or two, and then answer 5 questions related to the topic. Ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to today's lecture about the vibrant city of Sydney, Australia. Sydney is the capital of New South Wales and one of Australia's largest cities. Known for its stunning beaches, iconic landmarks, and diverse culture, Sydney attracts millions of visitors each year. Sydney is famous for its beautiful harbour, which is home to the world-renowned Sydney Opera House. This architectural masterpiece is a symbol of Sydney and hosts a variety of performances, from opera to theatre and concerts. Nearby, you'll find the Sydney Harbour Bridge, an iconic steel arch bridge that offers breathtaking views of the city skyline. In addition to its landmarks, Sydney is a city with a rich cultural scene. The city is home to numerous museums, art galleries, and theatres. Visitors can explore the Australian Museum, which showcases the country's natural history, or visit the Art Gallery of New South Wales to admire works by Australian and international artists. For those who love the outdoors, Sydney offers plenty of opportunities for recreation. Bondi Beach, one of Sydney's most famous beaches, is a hotspot for surfers and sunbathers alike. The nearby Bondi to Coogee coastal walk offers stunning ocean views and a chance to explore several picturesque beaches along the way. Sydney is also known for its vibrant food scene. From trendy cafes to world-class restaurants, the city offers a diverse range of culinary delights. Be sure to try some of the local specialties, such as fresh seafood, meat pies, and the famous Sydney Rock oysters. Whether you're exploring the historic neighbourhoods of the Rocks or enjoying a ferry ride across the harbour, Sydney has something to offer everyone.